For the next step, we're going to go ahead and machine the smaller portions of the geometry on the inside of the wheel. I'm also going to show you a different way how to machine these out as opposed to grabbing all these pieces of geometry in one go. Start by going to Toolpaths and selecting 2D High Speed. From here, select Area. Ensure that Stay Inside is selected and select Machining Chains. From here, we're only going to grab one chain this time and not select the Chain Feature command, and select OK. As you can see, you should only have one machining region selected here, as we are going to do it a different way. Select OK when finished. From here, you will see that Area Mill is selected. Scroll over to the left-hand side and select Tool. We're going to use the same tool as we did in the last operation, our 3/16 flat end mill. From here, we're going to type in the comment, machine the smaller pocket. And we're going to change the feed rate to 120, the plunge rate to 100, and the spindle speed, again, to 12,000. From here, scroll over to cut parameters. We're going to want to leave some stock on the walls, so give this 30 thou. All the default values should already be correct. Just ensure that they are by looking at your book. Go to Depth Cuts. Turn Depth Cuts on and give the max rough step 50 thou. Give the finish cuts 1 and give the finish step 10 thou. From here, we are going to go straight to transitions. Ensure that the values are correct. Entry helix is on, radius is 0.25, plunge rate, and these values are all the same. Scroll over to the left-hand side and select linking parameters. From here, ensure that the values are all correct, that the clearance is 1, the retract is 0.25 absolute, the feed plane is incremental 0.1, the top of stock is incremental 0, this will need to be changed, and the depth is incremental negative 0.05. Hit enter on your keyboard and select OK. As you can see, you should have one toolpath machining out the pocket. In order to machine them all out, we will continue on and go Toolpaths, Transform. Once we select Transform, we will go ahead and change the type to Rotate and make sure that the method is coordinate. From here, we will only highlight the last operation that we did, which is the area mill. Rotate, over here, revolves the toolpath around the construction origin or a selected point. Activate the Rotate tab and you can set the rotation point and number of copies. Coordinate, down here, creates new coordinate positions for the new toolpaths in the original tool plane. Go to Rotate up at the top tab here. Selecting Rotate, you can change the number of values. I'm going to change this to 5 and ensure that angle between is currently on. I'm also going to change the angles from 90 to 60. The number of steps up at the top is the number of times to rotate the toolpath. The start angle, right here, sets the beginning angle for the rotate toolpath, and the rotation angle sets the angle of rotation for the transform toolpath. Select OK when you have these values. As you can see, it rotates the toolpath all the way around the part. I will now go ahead and highlight all the folders and run my verify toolpath. Once Mastercam has loaded up your part in the Verify window, select Play. Your part should look as shown. Exit out of the Verify window, scroll over to the far left, and toggle your display.